Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there is no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the lower dish rack assembly in a Whirlpool dishwasher. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For this job, we're going to need a flat blade screwdriver. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new lower dish rack assembly and adjustable tiny roll. The lower dish rack is used to store larger dishes and pots, and also could be conveniently rolled out. The main reason why it would need to be replaced is if it gets corroded and starts breaking apart, leaving ugly spots on the dishes. To get to the part, we need to open the door. Roll out the lower dish rack and place it on a workable surface. First, bend the wire and unlock the tiny roll. Push the tiny roll retainer inwards at the top, or if it's stuck, pry it off using the flat blade screwdriver. Using the flat blade screwdriver, push down on the locking tabs and remove the wheel assembly. Repeat the procedure and remove the rest of the dish rack wheels and the old tiny roll from the inside the dish rack. Push off the end clips. This is the old lower dish rack assembly. Next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Place the adjustable tiny roll in. Install the dish rack wheel assembly between the two horizontal wires so the vertical wire is in the middle groove, and push it up, allowing the two tabs to lock on the bottom wire. Make sure the tiny roll end is in the central groove of the wheel assembly. Install the rest of the wheel assemblies. Install the tiny roll retainer and clip it on. Install the end clips. Lock the tiny roll. Slide the lower dish rack assembly in and close the door. Plug the dishwasher in and enjoy your clean dishes. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other repair videos available on our site, on Facebook, and on YouTube.